Hi everyone, and I plant guy here. I'm going to look today at planting up garden anemones for the springtime. So you can see them here. This is what they'll look like come spring. So I've had them in water for the last couple of days, so the roots have all bulged out, gone nice and large, ready to go into pots. Now I don't need very large pots here. I'm going to use quite a small pot. It's only 5 centimeters across, so I don't waste too much of my too much compost. So I'm just going to pot up my compost about a couple of centimeters just below the edge of the rim. Just make a small hole, not very big at all. These aren't going to go very deep into the pot. Make a very small hole. I'm going to take my bulb and just pop it in, so you can see it just poking out there. And literally just push the soil in around it, and that's it. That's one ready to go. Now of course in the springtime, take it out, put it into either a larger pot or put it into the borders and let it grow away. But that's it ready. So we'll do a few more. So once again, I'm just using a Westland peat-free compost. Doesn't have to be too deep. Once again, making a very small hole. Pop this in. And that's it, ready to go. And that's the part I want to point it up. But don't worry if you get it wrong. The plant will still put the shoot up the right way and the roots will still go down into the ground. The plant will sort it out for itself, but yeah, if you can try and get it the right way around, all the better. Of course, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave them sitting here at the front of the greenhouse where they'll get afternoon sun. So we'll get a little bit of heat during the day. And then, in the spring, I'll have beautiful anemones ready to go into the garden. And all for a few pence each. Okay, bye.